Hello, today we will guide you through Facebook ads, how to add payment method, and billing settings. In this walkthrough, we'll use Meta Business Suite to get to your billing area, add a payment method, and confirm everything is set correctly. Before you start, make sure you're signed in to the right business and that your role includes finance permissions. Otherwise, you may not see billing options. First, open Meta Business Suite. This is your central hub for managing assets tied to your business on Facebook and Instagram. Once it loads, head to Ads Manager. You can find it in the left-hand menu or by using the search bar. Ads Manager opens to your campaigns view, but for billing, we'll switch over to the financial tools. From here, look for billing and payments. Clicking that takes you to the billing hub, where you can review payment activity, upcoming charges, and downloadable invoices. This section is helpful for keeping an eye on spend and understanding when Facebook will bill you based on your threshold or monthly invoice, depending on your setup. At the top right, select Payment Settings. This is where your payment account details live. You'll see any existing payment methods, your primary method, and options for managing receipts and spending limits. Choose Add Payment Method. A panel opens with the choices available in your country and currency, typically a credit or debit card, PayPal, sometimes direct debit, or a prepaid balance. Enter details exactly as they appear with your bank, including the billing address. Mismatches are a common reason cards fail. If you want the new method to be used automatically, mark it as your primary method before saving. If you're prompted to select an account, pick the correct ad account from the list. This ensures you're adding the method to the place where your ads will be billed. Double-check the account name to avoid attaching a card to the wrong one, especially if you manage multiple clients or brands. Now follow the on-screen prompts to finish. You may be asked to verify the card, complete two-factor authentication, or approve a small authorization. After saving, look for confirmation that the method is active and check that the correct method is marked as primary. Return to the Billing tab to confirm invoices appear and that there are no pending errors. That's it. Your payment method and billing settings are now in place, helping your campaigns run without interruption.